Is Star Peak Energy stock a buy? The news concerning Star Peak Energy is that STEM and Star Peak Energy Transition Corp announced today, the 4th of December 2020, a definitive agreement for a business combination that will result in STEM becoming a public company. Upon closing of the transaction, the combined company will be named STEM and remain listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the new ticker symbol STEM. The combined company will be led by John Carrington, Chief Executive Officer of STEM. The business combination values the combined company at a 1.35 billion pro forma equity value at a price of $10 per share. $10 per Star Peak Energy share, and assuming no redemptions by Star Peak shareholders, the transaction will provide $608 million of gross proceeds to the company, assuming no redemptions, including $225 million fully committed common stock pipe at $10 per share, anchored by existing and new investors, including funds and accounts managed by BlackRock, Vanex Associates Corporation, Adage Corporation Management, Electron Capital Partners, and Senator Investment Group. So this merger is backed by mainstream investment banks. So technically speaking, there isn't much that has happened with Star Peak Energy. It started trading on the 8th of October, not very long ago. But there's just a little bit of some technical information concerning this. We can obviously see that momentum is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic escalator is rising as investors are paying higher prices for shares. Today's volume is on track to be heavier than usual, with 22.65 million shares having traded so far. The unbalanced volume indicators bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. The Bollinger Bands, yes, indicates that there is volatility going on and has happened as well. Events such as this may precede a pulse reversal, and we can see currently we has a momentum, or rather a price rate of change, which is not momentum, which is 55.9%. We've seen the PROC, or price rate of change, for other green tech, renewable energy, sparks, and companies that are in double digits. So STEM is likely to go there. Spark Energy is likely to go there. You can see this spike. It just happened today. You can see there was yesterday, the 3rd of December. It closed at $10.06. Now it's currently at $15 and some fraction. So nothing has really happened much with this equity, because when it listed, it's listed at $10. So it's just of late that this has just come. This news has just come. The company raised $350 million when it went public, when it listed, and it's a blank check company. So it has it's now courting STEM to see if they can get this done. It's good because blank check company mergers, it cuts down the protocol of disclosing and all that stuff in the periods and all that stuff, with regards with the SEC review. And it says here 52 new 52-week high, no doubt. Today, price reached 52-week new high of $15.80. This exceeds the previous high of $10.57 by $5.23, and is 64.58% above the 52-week low of $9.60. And here it says very important spike. We know that already. It's a 4,446% increase above the regular 10-day average. Um, so is it a buy? It's what would I say? Given how strongly EV sparks like Nikola and Lordstown have performed over after the completion of their deals, market participants are probably trying to get into Spark Energy before its merger with STEM is completed. In our opinion, it's not a buy at the current levels, at this current level, because what I mean current level is what it's trading at right now, today, the 4th of December 2020. There's a strong enthusiasm towards Spark Energy, and it may well reach even probably $20 or more. There's a good chance that it can reach that. So, but I will not, most certainly not going to tell you that while it is at $15 on some fraction, while it has gained about 50 something percent, that you should jump in and buy. You know, just observe things and see how it goes. And if you want to disregard my caution, you might as well go ahead and buy. I strongly believe that it will probably reach $25 in probably before this year runs out, before this year 2020 runs out. But I cannot tell you that while it's running up, it has run up a gain of 51.09% in one day, in one session. Before the session even comes to a close, that it is a buy, that you should jump in. When the train has left the station, and it's not currently presenting that opportunity for you to get in. So you decide if it's if you're willing to take the risk. And if you're going to take the risk, don't put in a lot of money. Don't put all your eggs into this. you know um, you know there's a good chance that it can do well. There's a good chance. The stage has been set with all the previous sparks. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you're new, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much again.